Good day, student. So ngayon naman pag-usapan natin, no, ang brief history ng Java programming. Alaman natin ngayon kung sino nga ba yung mga tao sa likod ng pag-develop ng tinatawag natin Java programming. So simulan na natin. Java programming language is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed to reduce the implementation dependencies. No? It followed the principles of write once, run anywhere. Java code to execute on any platform that supports Java without requiring a compilation. Okay? Typically, Java programs are compiled into bitcode, which can be executed by any Java virtual machine or JVM na tinatawag natin, regardless of a system underlying architecture. Ano nga ba yung sabihin nun? Meaning to say, kahit different architecture ng mga computers nyo is pwedeng mag-run yung Java programming natin o yung mga programs natin. At ito nakikita nyo dito na mukha, siya lang naman yung nag-iisang pasimuno, no, or siya yung leader na mag-create ng Java programming, which is si James Gosling. Kung makikita nyo yung itsura niya, sabi nila pag nag-code daw kami, gano'n rin yung magiging itsura natin. Pero yun lang, wala lang, sabi na nila kasi sa itsura. Pero he is a great man, no, regarding in programming. Okay? Kung sino yung mga team sa likod ng pag-create ng Java programming, ito yung mga members na tinatawag nilang Green Team. Okay? Java has fascinating history. It was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsoft System and released in May 1995. As a key part of Sun's Java platform, initially Java was designed for interactive televisions, but it proved too sophisticated for digital cable TV. No, sa industry at that time, the development of Java began the Green Team or yung group of engineers aiming to create a programming language for digital devices like set-top boxes and televisions. However, it soon became clear that Java was particularly well suited for internet-based applications. Eventually, no, Magnetscapes adopted and integrated Java technology. So sila yon sa likod ng team, yung tinatawag natin Green Team. Alright? So, brief history lang. Then, pagdating naman sa development, the development of Java programming language was guided by several core principles. Unang-una dito, yung pagiging simplicity. Alright? Then, robustness. Then, portability, the platform, independence, even the security, high performance, multi-threaded, architectural neutrality, object orientations and interpretations, and dynamism. No, Java was created by James Gosling, often referred to as the father of Java, in 1995. No, si James Gosling referred to as the father of Java nga daw. He, along with his team, began working on the project in early 1990s. Okay? Yan na naman yung brief history sa development niya. Next naman, maraming tataka why oak, no? Bakit? Before kasi naging Java yung tawag sa kanya, is tinawag mo na siyang Oak. Meaning to say, Java was originally named Oak because yung si James Gosling, the creator of Java, chose the name while developing the language in 1991. He named it after an oak tree. He stood outside his office. Kumbaga sa labas sa office niya, may nakita siyang tree, no? Na nakatayo doon. So, yun doon ang unang doon yung unang ipinangalan yung programming language na create na, which is the Oak. Una, okay? Oak was meant to symbolize strength and stability. Kaya tinawag ngayon na Oak kasi nakikita niya yung tree kasi na to may strength, then may stability na nangyayari. So, parang ganun yung na-imagine niya. Siguro pagdating ng araw, Java will be strength and stability at hindi nga siya nagkamali. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin naman yung pag-usbong ng Java. However, the name Oak was later changed to Java in 1995. Kasi naman, yung Oak na tree was already trademarked ng mga another company. Kaya naisipan nila na baguhin yung pangalan, which is Java. No? Was inspired by Java coffee talaga. No? Sa Java coffee, nag-start ka na type of coffee from Indonesia. Okay, doon talaga. Siguro, si James Gosling is nagkakape siya. Then yung kinakape niya is from the Indonesia. Kaya that's why Though the developers often drank coffee while working on the project, and the name was chosen to reflect the energy and creativity behind the language. That's why, no, kung bakit nila pinangalanan na, oh, yung Java noon-noon pa man na panahon. Ganun dito na yung reason bakit pinalitan nila. Alright? So, I hope may gets yan. Okay lang yan. Kalma-kalma. Relax-relax na kayo. Basic pa lang to. Dapat alam nyo rin kung saan ba talaga nagmula itong Java language na to. Okay? So, next tayo. Yung Java, sa tingin, ano nga ba ang Java ngayon? No? Yung Java remains one of the most used programming language globally. Ginagamit pa rin natin yan. Wala pa kasi hindi kasi natin sila nakikita itong mga programs na to, but lahat na nakikita ng mga devices is meron talagang Java programming. Using web, desktop, yung mobile ninyo, yung mga cloud, even the enterprise applications, may mga nagpo-program talaga pa rin yan hanggang ngayon. So, maintained by Oracle with support from Java Community Process in JCP. No? Supported pa rin yan ng Oracle ang Java programming. Okay? So, ready na ba kayong mag-code sa future? Join the world of programming? Ready na ba? So, I hope na-gets natin or intindihan natin yung brief history lang pagdating sa history ng Java. So, kalmahan nyo muna mga sarili nyo. Relax muna. Alam ko, excited na kayo mag-code, pero hopefully, naiintindihan nyo lahat ng tinakil natin regarding sa simple history lang ng Java. Okay, I hope student ang yan. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share nyo rin sa mga kapwa mo estudyante. Bye!